Another fine vehicle offered by Carl Hogan Honda.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, an AM/FM radio, a rear parking aid, an airbag deactivation switch, and this vehicle has just over 67,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Carl Hogan Honda is located at 3621 Highway 45 in North Columbus.